When choosing a Bluetooth speaker, it's easy to end up with something that looks good on paper, but doesn't actually stay in use for very long. The reasons are simple. Some are inconvenient to carry, some don't sound comfortable after longer listening, and before you know it, they get replaced. That's why, for me, judging whether a speaker is worth it isn't about the spec sheet, but about one question. Will I keep using it? XSound Plus 2 is the kind of speaker that doesn't make you second guess your choice. It's compact and comes with a built-in lanyard, so whether you clip it to a bag or toss it into a backpack, it never feels like a burden. If you're using a speaker outdoors often, IPX7 water resistance really matters. Rain, splashes, or being near water aren't things you have to worry about. Battery life is also part of real value. A single charge can comfortably last through a full day of use, so you're not constantly thinking about power. Function-wise, it gives you room to grow. It supports TWS pairing, so using two speakers together instantly opens up the sound stage. It also lets you adjust EQ, so you can fine-tune the sound to match different music styles or listening situations. So if you ask me, how do you choose a Bluetooth speaker that truly offers good value? The answer isn't choosing the most expensive one, but choosing a speaker you're happy to carry, happy to use, and never feel conflicted about. From that perspective, TRIBIT XSound Plus 2 is a very sensible choice.